YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative. Welcome to my channel. For all of those who are new, please stop by as often as you like and subscribe and follow me. And if you have followed me before, thank you for coming back and checking out this video. This is a collab video. We are posting every Wednesday about 10 o'clock for the month of August. And this is the UK Craft Fest. And so with this one, Poetspice, Jamie is hosting the collab, and she wanted us to use some UK company stuff, whatever it is that we have in UK, and create a product and showcase it each Wednesday. So in this collab, of course, it's Jamie because she's the host, Poetspice, Stocked'n'Stuffed, Sewgoodall, and Craft a Heart. So if you could check out all of the collaborators, excuse me, that's involved in this, and like and subscribe to the channel. I'm sure you'll be inspired with something fun, new, and maybe even pull out some of those dies that you haven't used, or stamps, or embossing folders, or papers, or whatever it is, inks and stuff that you may have gotten from a UK company. So having said that, I just want to showcase what I did today, and what I used was Sam Colcutt's Made to Surprise. I had bought that collection. I didn't get the round card set, but I got the rest of the collection. So what I used today was the stamp sentiments that she had. I don't even remember what my shorthand stand for, but anyway, it's something girl sentiments. And then I used the 5x7 rectangle zigzag super slider and the makeup. And you'll be able to see these come with the dies as well. And so I used some of these images. I initially cut some out and painted them, not painted, but colored them. Then I just changed my mind and did a little different. I've also used some archival, some Versamark, and some embossing powder, and a Wink Stella. And that's pretty much it, except for the dies and the paper. And I used just a heart bling from the Dollar Tree and some 110-pound cardstock, and that was pretty much it. So this is the first one, and again, everything is matted, and I love these cards because you can open them up two different ways. So this would be the front. It would be going this way, and this is a 5x7, and it says "Hello, Beautiful." I did put the pull tab there, but I stamped it twice, so it's a little blurry. But it says "Hello, Beautiful," and then what you do is at the pull, you actually pull it, and it says "Be as bold as your lipstick," and that says "Glamour." And so that's hopefully, it's embossed. This says "Be as bold as your lipstick," and this is die cut. It says "Glamour." So hopefully, it's 1 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday night. Anyway, so that's that. I love that, how that pops up like that, so it's dimensional, and you can lay it flat. Now, if the person doesn't want to have it up that way, you can also open it up this way. And it says, "I love you as much as lipstick," and that's a lot. So I just stamped it in archival ink. So you can set it up this way and have it as a card, or you can set it up, you can lay it down flat, or you can have it again sitting up that way to display it. So it just totally depends on what the recipient would like to do. And what I did here on the lipsticks, I die cut it in gold, and then die cut it in different color paper, glued it, attached it, and used the Wink Stella on the tips to add some sheen there, which you may or may not be able to see. And that's the little dollar store bling. So that was the first one. And then the second one, again, has pull there, and that one is the word beautiful. And again, this is from the die collection. All three of these lips, I didn't stamp them, I just die cut them out. The Wink Stella there, the Dollar Tree bling, and then I just paper pieced the lipstick, and I used the Wink Stella there. So you may or may not be able to see that shine. And that says pull. And so you pull it here. This is glitter, not glitter, but heat embossed, and it says "Be the girl who decided to go for it." Be the girl who decided to go for it. You can see that. I didn't put anything on this side of it, but you definitely can. You can stamp here or put anything there. So again, this card can sit up like that. Lay flat. And if you open it up, it says "Be your own kind of beautiful." And of course, I will have these up on my Instagram post. And then last but not least, this one I decided to do in a black card base, and it says "Glamour." And I did not stamp the pull there. I didn't feel like getting my white ink out because I need to get this video done. But I would go back, and I'm going to stamp it with some white and heat emboss it. And then you will pull it out. And this one says, that was me pulling the cricket. Oh, you don't look a day over fabulous. Sorry about the glitter. I mean, not the glitter. Keep saying the glitter. The sheen. It says, so, oh, you don't look a day over fabulous. And again, you just push that back down. It says glamour. And if you open it up, it says happy birthday. So again, the sentiment collection, there's a lot of different things that you can say on these cards. They can say a lot of different things. And again, you can sit it up or down. Totally your choice. So those are my 3 cards that I made. And I like the interactive part of it. I wish they came back with a circle one, but that seems to stay out of discontinue. But I really enjoy this collection. I also have the square die as well. So check out the other ladies. Thanks for liking, watching, and liking and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.